this ain't too bad.
That ain't even that bad. We thought it was gonna be
I thought
bad.
it was gonna bust.
It's cold though, ain't it?
There.
There it goes.
That's cold right there. That's fair.
That's our meter right there. We about to repipe this. Put a new Kirby in it. Big strong man pumping that shit out. What you gotta say to us?
Get it done.
Get her done.
We should have brought the Coke coffee can.
The coffee can, yeah. You want me to stop recording now?
Yeah, get me.